Safety Toolbox Talk number 226. Road Transportation Safety During Monsoon. Ensure the roads are safe to transport heavy materials. Drive in the lane. Do not drive the vehicle on the wrong side. Fasten your seatbelt. Follow road traffic rules. Do not allow anyone to travel on trucks and back deck of the trailers along with the materials. Do not overload the passenger transportation vehicles. Do not park vehicles on the road during rain. If it is necessary, then the vehicle may be parked on the left side with parking lights on. The entire vehicle should be fit for the monsoon season. Carry out pre-monsoon checks like wiper, headlights, horn, reverse horn, tire condition, brake, etc. These should be in good and working condition. Accelerate your vehicle gradually, anticipate sudden stops, and avoid sudden braking as that could lead to skidding of the vehicle. Look out for pedestrians, hand cart pullers, and cyclists, etc. on the road. Thank you.